Hello, welcome to BlockLeap Academy. This time we are going to see, we're going to start the fundamental features of blockchain. And we are going to start with what is a crypto wallet. Very important topic, because through this crypto wallet, we are going to explain what is cryptography, the private key, public key pairs, and all the following chapters will be about that. So when you buy crypto, could be Bitcoin or any other Ethereum, Cardano, whatever, you need to put your crypto in somewhere. Okay, so we will see that you can put it in a wallet on your phone, for instance, and you could put it on an exchange. You can put it at home in a kind of USB key. We're going to talk about that. They are called hardware wallet. But anyway, the logic is you buy, let's say, Bitcoin, and you put it on a wallet. Okay. So you store your cryptocurrency in this wallet, and the very important aspect of it is like what's keeping this wallet safe is a pair of public and private key. We will see that in the next chapter. And what's good with this kind of wallet, with differences with the bank, for instance, your bank account is like you can access 24/7 your money, your coins. And these wallets, crypto wallets, can literally make you like a banker. You are not having a bank account, you are a banker. Why? Because you can send crypto, receive, exchange, and even spend all the crypto you've got. And sometimes you get rewards for all these spending, sending, and operation. Okay. Now, I was talking about different kind of wallets. Let's talk about only the main three types. Okay, so you've got the online wallets, which are the one you are going to have on an exchange. For instance, imagine you go to an exchange. I use Kraken, but you could use another one, Coinbase or Gemini, whatever. Okay, and the choice, once you bought your crypto, you can keep it on this exchange. Okay, and on this exchange you will have an access and a wallet. Okay, and you will be able to access this wallet with this password anytime you want. But be careful, these online wallets, they are storing for you the coins. Okay, you are not really the owner of your coin. So this is a concept we're going to see in the following chapters as well. It's not your keys, not your coin. But let's finish the description of the wallets, and then we will go to precisely the pair, the key, the private and private keys and public keys. Sorry, I was thinking of something else. Right, so the second kind of wallets are called hardware wallets, meaning that this is the safer choice for you. Why? Because you control your coins. You've got the private keys. Private key means you've got the password to access it. All right, so they look like a USB key. The most famous ones are Trezor or Ledger, and I will dedicate one lesson on these wallets. And then the third one, it's a paper wallet, which was really good at the very, very beginning, I would say 5 years ago, but sorry, but it's not recommended actually, because you write your private key on a piece of paper, And but if you lose this piece of paper, you don't even have any hardware, and it's really not really handy. This is why I would recommend to focus on the online wallets on your computer, on your laptop, PC, or on your phone, or directly a hardware wallet. So this is a question I always ask my student. When you buy some crypto, you put it in your wallet, for instance, Bitcoin. Are your coins in your wallet? I will ask you to pause 2 minutes and say, okay, I bought 1 Bitcoin, I put it in my wallet. Where is my Bitcoin? Is it in my wallet or is it somewhere else? I give you like 1 minute, or even double check online, pause the video and try to find the answer. All right? Okay. Your Bitcoins are not in your wallet. All right? So where are they? I always say to my students, think of a Bitcoin as a house. When you buy a house, you are not going to take your house under your arm and go somewhere else. Your house got an address. And when you buy this house, you've got like an address which is written and registered somewhere. So you access your house with some keys, all right? So the analogy is the same. You buy a Bitcoin which is inside the ecosystem, inside the blockchain, and what's going to happen is like the Bitcoin, like 1 Bitcoin or a piece of Bitcoin, when you are going to buy it, the wallet is going to give you an address, and this address is, and the private key you've got to access is going to give you the access to this Bitcoin. But if you lose your wallet, it's not a problem. You just have to remember that when you've got a wallet, you have to write down this private key, which usually it's like 12 or 24 words, which are called a seed, S-E-E-D, and you have to write it down really physically on a piece of paper. Don't put it on your computer. Don't take pictures just in case a hacker could hack your phone or your computer and hide, make a copy or 2 or 3 and hide this 12 or 24 keys, words. Okay, this is very important. So remember, we say in the ecosystem, not your keys, not your coin. So these 24 words, if you get, for instance, like a, what's his name? A Trezor wallet. The Trezor wallet, when you set it up, is going to give you 24 words. These words are your only access. Only you know the access. Nobody else, nobody can access it. Right. So what is this address you are going to get? An address is really easy. It's a long string of letters and numbers, okay? So in your wallet, you will have 2 numbers, which are your like account number, like we can say an IBAN, like everybody can see. And then you've got your private key. We're going to see that in next chapter, but it's important for you to know that I've got a wallet, I put a coin in it. Only me can access this coin through my wallet because the coin is not in my wallet, okay? And if I want to have full control of this wallet, I need to write down the seed phrase, 12 or 24 words, and only me can use this phrase. Now, when you've got a crypto wallet, very important, you are going to be, this wallet is going to create 2 numbers. What I said before, the IBAN, the equivalent of your IBAN, which is the account number, like everyone can see it. If you want people to send crypto, you are going to give this number, which is the one here on the left. And then your private key, this is the other number, is only for you, and generally is not this string of letter and numbers. It's just like 24 words, which represent this thing. And obviously, the same happens with your bank account. Your bank account and your password are mathematically linked. And here in Bitcoin is the same. For each account number, you've got a private key which is linked to it. And we will see later on when you send or receive a Bitcoin, the system is going to use this private key and this public key in order to encrypt your transaction. All right. Right, very important. So in conclusion, you really have to remember that you have to think of a wallet, any wallet actually. So you can ask me, where can I get a wallet? So you go online or you go to your app store and you download the wallets you want. So you've got hundreds of them. I will create like a lesson about that. So you download your wallet, you write down the seed, S-E-E-D, which can be 12 or 24 words. You keep these words very in a secret place. Don't put it on your computer, on your phone, okay? So once you've got that, you are like a bank. Why? Because basically you control the whole amount of coins. All your wealth is under your control, not a third party, okay? As well, remember as a very simple concept that your public key is the equivalent of your account number for your bank or your IBAN. Your private key is like your password for your bank account. So it's the same concept, different names, public key, private key. These pair of keys are very important for what we're going to explain later, cryptography, okay? So your coins are not in your wallet. Very important. If you lose the wallet or your phone, not a problem. You buy another phone, you download the app, and you enter the 12 or 24 words, and you will access your coins. Your coins are safe if you've got the seed, all right? And again, when we talk about that, and it's very, very important for newcomers, once you've got your wallet and you've got your keys, you are the only owner of the coins. If you leave it on an exchange, your wallet is controlled by somebody else, by the people who own the exchange. So it's like, again, you buy Bitcoin, you put it on an exchange, you are like, this is the same as putting your money in a bank. Technically, nothing is going to happen, but it could if there is a crisis. You go to the bank, sometimes the bank is closed and you can't get your money. Could happen the same with your crypto. We will talk about that later on.